Hi and welcome to TweeterBucks. So after you've registered, you'll now see yourself on this screen here, which is our dashboard. This has some handy links so that you can jump straight to some certain pages. It also shows some stats such as the campaigns, any cloak links, and some mailing stats. And you also have your quick links here to your Twitter campaigns, your video and your image campaigns. Also, as you can see below, we have some of your Twitter campaigns on the dashboard, just so it's really easy to access, but you can access all of them fully on the Twitter campaigns page, or the respective video or image campaigns. So, the first thing you'll notice is on these links it says please add your ID in these settings. So the first thing that we want to do is navigate over to the left hand side here, and we have account settings and affiliate settings. So if you go ahead and click on account settings, you can see here you have the ability to change your email and update your password. All very simple. So the first thing that you'll want to do is come to your affiliate settings here. You can see it's got a little warning telling us to add our ID. So we just come here and you can see we just need to put in our ClickBank ID. So this is how we get commissions. So every time you share or post a campaign, you'll want to put your ClickBank link in the link so that you get commissions for it. So the way the system works is once you put your ID in here, it will automatically put them into every link for you, so it'll be all done for you. So in this case, we'll just go ahead and put something random. So now if we take a look back on our homepage, we'll see all of these ClickBank links have our ID in them, so we'll get commission. So that is all of the settings that you need to set up. That's it. If you want to come back and update your ID, you can just come back here. And your account settings are here as shown earlier. Another thing as well is all your bonuses can be found here, so they are all delivered within the program. There's no need to contact support or reach out to any external support for them. They're all located in the All Bonuses section here, and you'll see more or less depending on which platform, which program you bought. For example, if you bought any upgrades, you might see more bonuses, etc. So that's how to get started. This shows you your dashboard, your account settings, how to get started with your affiliate setup, and your bonuses. So after you've completed this, you're pretty much ready for step 2, which is to get ready on the campaigns.